Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, mga ka-vibes. So for today's video, we are going to have our tutorial on how to set up our account and how to set up our payment setting. Okay, so let's move on. So here you have to go to your profile. So eto po sa cellphone, ganito rin po yung pag cellphone ang gamit ninyo, ganito rin po yung makita nyo. Ito kasi nasa laptop tayo, so account setting. Okay, so sa account setting, fill up nyo lang po pangalan nyo, name, username. Kailangan po lahat ng i-fill out nyo dito, dapat ano siya doon sa Shopee account niyo. Dapat parehas sila kasi pag hindi po kayo maa-approve. So yung Shopee affiliate ID ninyo, then affiliate account type individual, your number that is being registered to your Shopee account, then your email ad, and your birthday. Dapat magkatugma yung birthday niyo diyan sa account niyo at birthday niyo doon sa Shopee account niyo. Kaiba kasi ang Shopee affiliate at Shopee account. Pero dapat magkatugma sila. Then yung occupation, and then yung sa akin, nakasubmit na kasi ako kaya edit na lang yan. So hindi na tayo mag-i-edit. So let's move on to, so for this media information, you have to register and verify all of your social media account that you're going to use in promoting your products. Dapat naka-register siya dyan. Kasi kung hindi makikredit yung commission ninyo. Hindi nyo makukuha. So you have to register all of those social media account that you are going to use in your Shopee affiliate things. Okay, let's move on to payment setting. Okay, in filling out the payment setting, it has to be 21 days review. No, i-review po ng Shopee yung mga nilagay nyo po dito, fill up nyo po, i-review ng 21 working days. So, after 21 working days, mag-i-email po sila kung approved or valid po lahat ng sinabit ninyo na record or ito yung mga nilagay nyo dito. So, first, your account type. So, local individual, then adult, then this is for your account type ha. Payment information. Okay, you have to fill your name here, and then beneficiary number, your number. And then you have to register first your CBank account before filling out this payment setting. So, dapat meron na kayong CBank account. So, for example, meron na kayong CBank account. So, ito yung pangalan ng bank. Then, open online kasi online po yung ginagamit natin. And then, your name and your bank account number. And you have also to provide a proof that you own that account. Screenshot. You have to screenshot your account. Then, i-attach nyo po dyan sa may Yan. So, next would be itong secondary bank account. Pero choice nyo na rin pala kung lalagyan nyo ng secondary bank account. Kung wala naman, okay lang din. Same, yung i-fill out mo, same nung nandun sa ibaba, sa taas. Then yung tax information, meron po silang IDs na tinatanggap lang. Meron naman silang list ng IDs. So, parang, hindi ako nagkakamali, passport, driver's license, yung need. Meron silang mga IDs na, government IDs na hindi tinatanggap. So, you have to check it out kung meron kayong mga valid IDs na tinatanggap ni Shopee. So, you have to fill it. BIR registered. Ako kasi hindi, so no. Beneficiary permanent address. Dapat magkatugma yung address mo sa ID mo at saka yung address mo sa nanilagay mo dyan. Then, name of the taxpayer. And then, I am not registered to DTI, so no content. And then, non-battable. Yung VAT qualification documents. And then, you have to submit. So, edit na yung sa akin kasi approved na yan lahat. Okay? So, that's it for today's video, guys. And next time we're gonna have tutorial on how to fill out CBank account. Okay, so thank you for watching at the end of this video. God bless all and have a good day. Masayang kitaan mga ka-vibes. Bye.